Beats masterpiece.
So someone tell me why when I left my house I had lotion on, I was moisturized, but then when I got to the mall my feet was ashy as hell. Like it was like ashy, like embarrassingly ashy. Oh hi, welcome. If you don't know me, I am Ootd and welcome to this channel. So today's a Sunday and I decided, you know what, I'm tired of sitting in the house being depressed. Like I need to vibe, I need to go out, see cute things, see pretty things, you know, like do pretty stuff. Like I was just so tired of sitting in the house. So let me show you what I ended up doing. Okay, I did a really little mini retail therapy, okay, just to make me feel good. Let me show you all what I got. So remember I said my feet was hella ashy, so I ran to this SKIMS and I got like this Skin EFX coconut and shea butter hand cream and nail cream. I had to improvise, okay, so I had to use like this hand cream. It looks dirty right now. I wonder why the fuck it's so dirty right now, but this is what the product looks like. I don't know if it's focusing. Give me regular SKIMS lip gloss, and my favorite thing that I got today, guys, let me show you. Okay, so I got this from the Fix, okay, and the first time I saw this I'm like, isn't that like a Balenciaga bag? Oh my G, oh my G. So this is just like a Balenciaga inspired bag. They only have this in this color, sage. Yeah, I think this color is sage. Let me see. Yeah, this color is sage, and they also have one in white. So I'm gonna make like a really nice TikTok for this. So if you want to check that out, make sure you follow me on TikTok. Okay, I'm gonna putting it on the screen, and I'm also going to be putting my tag in the description box below. So yeah, this is what I got today. That's just what I've been up to, and I'm really hungry right now. I actually wanted to go eat out, and then I was like, nah, let me just go home. And I think I have like a leftover pizza from yesterday that I'm just gonna chow. But let me show you guys what I was wearing today. Okay, let me do a little OOTD rather. Okay, so a little OOTD for you guys. I don't know if you guys remember this jumpsuit from my Shein haul. So to be honest, there's this little story time for that Shein haul. So I don't like what that Shein haul was giving, so I made it private. So it is what it is. I'm sorry, like I know I can do better than that, so I just made it private. But you guys can catch all of these outfits on Instagram. Like I'm wearing them, making reels out of them. I think that's way better. Anyway, getting back to today's OOTD, this is what the jumpsuit actually looks like. I could have sized down a little bit, but it's not bad. I think I've grown into it, so this is what it's giving. It's very stretchy. It's like a what's this? Ribbed material, really soft. It's not see-through. So yeah, getting all the goodies, body is sitting, and then I just have the Fix jacket on top of it. The weather is not cold, but it's also not like extremely hot. It's just warm and it's about to rain, so that's why I picked this jacket to go with this jumpsuit. Then I have my pink what's this? My pink heels from the Fix. No, this is from Mr. Price. Right, and then I decided to match it with this Shein bag. I also had a haul for this on my channel. So this is how the bag is supposed to be worn. So you just put the big into the small, like so. So yeah, and I also have my braids. Obviously, this watch is also from Shein. So yeah, that's what the outfit was giving today. I really liked it. It was very cozy. The heels are really like extremely comfortable. So yeah, this is how I was pouncing around in the mall today. Okay, so that is all I have for today's vlog. Pretty short, just like a recap of what I was doing today. and Ootd, and I'm so excited about that bag. So make sure that you guys follow me on Instagram and on TikTok, because I will be doing like an unboxing. Okay, so yeah, that's how I have for you guys today. Stay blessed, and I'll see you guys in my next content.